My friend, welcome to Golden Rest Guide. And before we begin, let me tell you something that may surprise you. Death does not begin with disease. It begins on the night your body forgets how to sleep deeply. You lie down hoping for peace, but within hours you wake again. Another quiet trip to the bathroom, another slow walk through the darkness. When you return to bed, your mind is awake, your heart feels heavier than it should, and the silence of the night stretches longer than your strength. But what if the real reason behind your exhaustion isn't age at all? What if it's the timing of your habits and the silent strain on your bladder that keeps your body awake when all it wants is to heal? Follow me closely, because in the next few minutes, you will learn how to stop these late-night bathroom trips, calm your bladder, and bring back the deep, natural sleep your body has been begging for. Before we begin, tell me where you're watching from and what time it is. I read every comment, and your story may help another senior sleep better tonight. Let's start with a truth. 3 out of 5 adults over 60 wake up at least twice every night just to use the bathroom. Most think this is old age, but it isn't. What steals your sleep is the quiet shift in hormones and organ function that begins after 60. Your body produces less of the hormones that keep urine controlled at night, while your kidneys filter more fluid even when you're resting. Your bladder becomes more sensitive, reacting to even small amounts of liquid. Slowly, peaceful nights turn into restless cycles of waking, walking, and waiting to fall asleep again. But this is not just about fatigue. Fragmented sleep weakens the brain's ability to repair itself. According to a Harvard University study, missing just 1 hour of deep sleep increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease by nearly 20%. This is why your nights matter. Your sleep is not just sleep, it is protection, restoration, and memory being rebuilt. Scientists now understand that sleeplessness after 60 is not only a mental challenge, it's a full-body imbalance involving breathing, hormones, diet, temperature, and light. That is why here at Golden Rest Guide, I teach you the 3-pillar method called the Neural Reset Protocol. Activate the calm system, balance evening nutrition, and reset your environment for deep rest. Step 1 is activating the calm system. Your nervous system has 2 branches, the sympathetic, which keeps you alert, and the parasympathetic, which restores you. For seniors, stress, irregular meals, evening noise, and screen light keep the alert system active long into the night. You must switch it off. The most powerful method is the 4-7-8 breathing technique, supported by Harvard Medical School. Breathe in through the nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale through the mouth for 8. Repeat this 4 times. This simple cycle stimulates the vagus nerve, a long nerve connecting your brain to your heart, lungs, and bladder. When activated, your heart rate slows, your kidneys calm, your cortisol drops, and your bladder finally receives the message to rest. Think of this practice as dimming down the lights in your body. Each breath turns off another switch. The heavy shoulders, the racing thoughts, the stressed heart. Your body learns again that night is for healing, not worrying. Step 2 is evening nutrition. After 60, what you eat, and especially when you eat, decides if your body relaxes or stays tense. Late dinners, salty meals, or lack of magnesium and potassium keep the bladder slightly contracted all night, leading to restlessness and multiple bathroom trips. Magnesium relaxes muscle fibers, including the bladder wall. Potassium balances fluid movement, preventing excess kidney filtration. Older adults often lack both minerals. To restore balance, choose calming foods in the evening. Warm spinach soup, ripe bananas, pumpkin seeds, or a cup of warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg. These foods gently relax your muscles, calm your nerves, support kidney function, and increase natural melatonin. Also avoid acidic fruits after 6 p.m., tomatoes, oranges, pineapples, because they irritate the bladder. Spicy or salty foods increase nighttime urine volume. Eat early, eat light, and eat warm. When you finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, your stomach rests, your bladder relaxes, and your body is free to focus on healing. Step 3 is temperature and light reset. Most homes unknowingly send the wrong message to the brain at night. Bright screens, warm rooms, and overhead lights tell the brain it's still daytime. The body cannot release melatonin without darkness and cooling. Dim your lights 2 hours before bed. Use warm amber lighting instead of blue or white bulbs. limit screens or turn on blue light filters. Take a warm shower or foot soak, then let your body cool naturally. This mimics the internal drop in temperature required for deep sleep. Keep your room at 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Wear breathable cotton and use lighter blankets. Your bedroom should feel like a quiet cave, cool, dark, and safe. Even small changes can create big results. Stanford University found that seniors who combined dimmed lights, cooler rooms, and a warm shower increased their deep sleep by nearly 50% in 1 week. Now let's talk about retraining your bladder. Most seniors believe the bladder is just a storage organ, but in reality it has its own rhythm. At night, it is meant to stay calm, sending fewer signals. But years of stress and habit teach the bladder to send false alarms. To fix this, use the 30-second pause method. When you wake with the urge to urinate, pause for 30 seconds. Take 3 calm breaths. Often the urge fades because the bladder wasn't full, it was only anxious. This retrains the nerves that connect the bladder to the brain. Over time, it teaches the body to wake you only when truly necessary. Combine this with the ankle pump exercise before bed to improve leg circulation, pointing and flexing your feet 10 times. This prevents fluid from pooling in your legs during the day and rushing back to your kidneys at night. But sleep is not only physical, it is emotional. Many seniors find that their minds become louder at night. Thoughts return, regrets surface, loneliness deepens. Emotional stress raises cortisol, tightens the bladder, and blocks melatonin. That is why bedtime gratitude or meditation is powerful. Write down 3 small things you're thankful for. Listen to soft 432 Hz music. Place your hand over your heart and breathe gently. Tell your mind, the day is done, I am safe. When your heart feels safe, your body allows sleep to happen. Finally, remember that your dinner shapes your dreams. Heavy meals burden your organs. Acidic fruits irritate the bladder. Choose steamed vegetables, lentil soup, brown rice, bananas, papayas, and pears. These foods calm your nerves and help your bladder rest. Add magnesium-rich greens or pumpkin seeds to your evening routine. These small changes invite big healing. Let me share one story. Mr. David Miller, age 71 from Ohio, once woke up 4 times each night. He tried cutting water, avoiding tea, even medication. Nothing helped. Then he started early dinners, ankle pumps, and 4-7-8 breathing. By day 5, he felt calmer, and by week 2, he slept almost 5 straight hours. The first uninterrupted night in years. He said, I didn't take a pill, I just listened to my body. His story represents thousands of seniors around the world. My friend, your body remembers how to sleep. It only needs rhythm. Tonight, begin with 1 breath. Tomorrow, an earlier dinner. The next day, dim the lights a little sooner. These gentle steps will retrain your system. Deep sleep will return, your mind will clear, your mornings will brighten. You deserve peaceful nights. And Golden Rest Guide is here to guide you. Now tell me, where are you watching from? What time is it? Comment below, I read every message. Like this video if it brought you hope, and subscribe to Golden Rest Guide so we can continue healing your nights together. May your rest be deep, your mornings light, and your heart full of life again.